This is how you trade crypto arbitrage trading using two platforms, that is Binance and Ranquilly. So we said you should be having a verified Binance account or any other account related to Binance. And as you can see, my capital is 933. And today we'll be doing a withdrawal, live withdrawal. So another thing that you need to have is your Ranquilly account. Just go to your browser, search ranquilly.com. After searching ranquilly.com, click on it and you'll see two options: sign in and get started. So if you have an account like me, just sign in, and if you don't have an account, make sure you click on get started, register to Ranquilly, then make sure you verify your email and your KYC. So I'll just sign in, and as you can see, mine has been verified and it has 180,000. So that means there is a coin doing great here. So BTC is dumping and so on. So you just come, after funding your account, click on deposit, enter USDT. If you are trading crypto arbitrage trading, this is where you get your address. So you'll just click on any amount, then click continue, copy the address. That's what you'll use while trading crypto arbitrage trading. So far, you can also receive your assets in external wallets. So I will do that maybe today, but I want to receive in my internal wallet right now. So I'll click on P2P arbitrage. Then we buy on Binance or any centralized platform, and we sell on Ranquilly. I see I have one that I've not released. This one was it was trading also. So just come click on sell. Then I found the best offer like this one with an offer of 1.10. Then I enter amount. Let me trade with 2000 USDTs and see what I'll get. Remember I said I'll be receiving internally, so I receive in my Ranquilly account, you can see here. But either way, you can receive in your external wallet like Binance or any other exchange. So I click on internal. Then you can see the charges. My stake is 2000, then the rate is 1.10, and the P2P fee is 44 USDT. So my take will be 2156, meaning 156 will be my take profit. And this one has no stories. You just trade and you get your assets direct. So let me paste my address. I had copied it earlier. I just paste, then I review and confirm my trade. Everything is there. The trade is running. Let me show you how it is running. You can see my stake was 2000, selling USDTs. Remember, you can sell BTC and any other coin. My take will be 2156, of which the price is 1.10. Total value 2156, network fee of 0.1, and trade ID is there. So I scroll down, the address is there. The address is there, and the receiver address and everything. So the runtime will be almost 30 minutes, and you'll just get a notification and you just release your assets. So crypto arbitrage trading is that easy. Make sure you follow my tutorials and you learn on how to trade with crypto arbitrage trading. That's it for now. Let's meet in the next one, my guys.